Yes, I developed an air fuel leak on the new build that I just completed again. Um, what happened was I used the old G2 reed here, and the original screws that are in it, they strip out and stuff. So, anyways, what happened was I usually put these in and then just tighten them with like a pair of pliers or something because they're sitting up on the thing. They're impossible to get a Allen key in and get them tight enough. But anyways, with that said, I must have opened this up 100 freaking times over the years, so they were just dead threads. So what I did is I took a 4mm drill bit and ran it through each hole, straight through. Like if you put this flat down, straight down through the top. And then I took a 6mm tapping bit and just ran it right through. So I put 6mm bolts in, and that should last me for a while again. It's just a quick fix for when one of these strip. There's no point screwing with those little screws. They're a pain in the ass. So, anyways, the only thing you got to do is just drill out the hole there a little bit, and those are already 5mm, so 1mm larger, and that's it. So all is good. All right, peace.